Friends, welcome back to my channel. In previous video I had tell you about list, so today's topic is decision making. As you can see here in the picture, if statement, first is the if statement, second one is if else statement, and third one is nested if statement, and fourth one is chained conditional, and fifth one is single statement condition. So let's talk about these and conditions. So Python supports the logical conditions from mathematics like equals, not equals, less than, like this. So let's talk about if statement. If statement is a simple decision making statement. It is used to decide whether a certain statement or block of a statement will be executed or not. So as you can see here in the example, I is equal to 5. If I is less than 15, then it will print 5 is less than 15. So 5 is less than 15, it will print 5 is less than 15. I will tell you example of this after finishing this slides. So let's talk about elif. Elif keyword, that means if the previous conditions were not true, then try this condition. Suppose this example, a is equal to 44 and b is equal to 44. So if b is greater than a, then it will print b is greater than a. If a is equal to b, then it will print a and b are equal. As you can see here, both values are same. It will not gonna in if body. So if the previous conditions were not true, so if this condition is not true, then it will move to elif condition. A is equal to b. So both values are same, so it will print a and b are equal. So let's talk about else keyword. Else keyword catches anything which is not caught by the preceding conditions. As you can see here in the example, a is equal to 200 and b is equal to 33. If b is greater than a, then it will print b is greater than a. If a is equal to b, then it will print a and b are equal. Else a is greater than b. So as you can see here, a's value is greater than b, so it will not gonna in if body, it will not gonna in elif condition, it will move to else condition, so it will print a is greater than b. And this is the flowchart of if else statement. If condition is true, then code inside if body. If condition is false, then code inside else body. Okay, so these are the statements: if statements, if else statements, and nested if statements, and these are the descriptions. So let's talk about example of these if statement. So let's see, I'm using here PyCharm editor. You can use whatever you want, like you can use Notepad Plus and Visual Studio Code or PyCharm. I'm using here PyCharm. So I have already created one file, if else statement. So let's take an example. If I is less than 15, then it will print I is less than 15. So 5 is less than 15, so it will print I is less than 15. So let's train it. I is less than 15. This is the if statement. Okay, so what's next? Next is elif. So let's talk about elif keyword. Suppose a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 2, and there's a condition b is less than a, then it will print b is greater than a, b is greater than a, and let's take an elif condition here, and a is equal to b, so it will print a and b are equal. Okay, so as you can see here, both values are same, so it will print a and b are equal. So let's see, yeah, a and b are equal because both values are same. So this is the elif condition. So what's next? Next is else. So let's talk about else. else condition. If A is greater than B, so let's see. A is greater than B. A value is 2 and B value is 1, so it will not gonna in if body because A is greater than B, and it will also not gonna in elif, so it will move in else body, so it will print A is greater than B, as you can see here. Yeah, so this is the if, else and elif. In next video I had tell you about in next video I will tell you about while loops. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.